UNDBIO is a South Korean pharmaceutical manufacturing company. They have a process and technology that they believe they can produce insulin at a fraction of the cost that's currently on the market today. So that would be a huge benefit not only to West Virginians, but all people fighting diabetes across the world. So we're excited about UNDBIO announcing they're going to build their pilot plant here. Right now they're looking to invest $100 million and hire 200 people over the next 3 years. So we're really excited about them picking Morgantown in Mon County as their launch point for this very necessary product and look forward to having them here for many years to come. So today, UNDBIO's home city in South Korea has joined them on the trip for the announcement. And so today the city and the county are going to sit down with their city and discuss economic development, discuss how to attract jobs and investment.
We have been looking for a business to come in the health sciences area. They are clearly on the cutting edge. We believe they're going to be a great addition to Morgantown, Montague County. Chairman Young is just so passionate, caring, religious, and I believe when he said yesterday that he wanted to be a mountaineer, he fit right in.
They were impressed that a town of our size had two hospitals. This is at a prominent location, which is great for somebody who's producing insulin to be able to have that collaboration, particularly with WVU.
My first impression is a very, very good city, especially the West Virginia University. Wow, very beautiful campus and so many students and faculty, especially my company's the purpose of in here, the insulin, maybe state-of-the-art technology, and I wanted to cooperate with West Virginia University, especially the medical school.
We must continue to grow our economy. You can never stop attracting business and jobs in wealth in the community. And I mean wealth from all people, from the residents, the workers, the shop owners, the governments, the company. When that happens, then you have a robust economy, and our economy is strong, but it's important that we continue to add to that economy ongoing. Never stop.